Good night, my name is Miguel Angel. I present the work of my life in the future. Question 1. You would like to work in another country? Yes, I would like to work in Toronto, Canada or Silicon Valley, California. Question 2. What position would you like to work in Toronto or Silicon Valley? I would like to be owner of a software company, Microsoft or Apple style. Question 3. When you plan to give up your current job? I will give up my job when I finish studying or find better job. Question 4. Would you like to return to the country? Of course, the idea is to go back and create jobs in Colombia, help country and the biggest in software development in America. Question 5. When would you like to retire? My retirement will be when I have fulfilled all my proposed objectives. When those happen and while retire to rest. Thank you for attention. Good night.